And then the books. Like 1, 2. You rip them open and play a memory game. Guessing where they are.
Yeah, but look what all next to.
Yeah, but you rip them. You take them apart. See where the tear is? You take it apart and then you have to remember where they are. Mix them up then. Okay then. Have a go then. Superman, you have to find another one. Superman now. What one is that? Oh, so turn them back over. And now try that one. Oh, see if you can find another one. Oh, okay, turn them back over. If you can remember where Superman is, you might. Yay! Superman, Superman. Now, we have food to become Batman. Oh. Okay. Oh, didn't you find that one a minute ago? Ooh. Yay! Oh. That's Tom in it. Tom and Jelly or Jelly? Okay. Oh, can you remember? Very good memory. Batman?
I remember.
Yay. I have to guess these ones now. Ooh. Almost. They're from the same show, ain't they?
Yeah.
Oh, yay! Now, see if you can find the green man. Oh no!
You have one.
Yeah, look, start ripping them up, and you can do it yourself. I'll help you now in a minute when Debbie does this. Oh, yay!
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh.
Yes, okay. Oh, can you go tell them we'll miss it up there again.
Okay. Okay, so it is from Scooby-Doo and Flash. So, okay. Oh, if I can get it done. Okay. I think you need to do the arms as well. Oh, you're supposed to put the arms on first. How do you do the arms? Oh, like this. This is hard.
Crispy.
Oh, is
A
it?
little bit of spice to it. They're like peppery mayo.
Yeah. Oh. Ah. And so that's like that. And where's the pot again? By here. So, a bit like that. And you go like that. You can... Oh! Oh, I bet the arms on opposite way. Oh.
Yeah, ice cream.
No, I'm not. No, thank you. No, no. Okay.
I know what that one is now.
Yeah, well, yeah, it's okay. Just go with it. Okay, now you need to find them. They need to not be on top of each other though, in lines. So you remember. Demi.
It's called a memory match.
Yeah.
So it's memory.
Yeah, so you do this. Put them in lines of 4, 5.
It's not enough to make 5 for the whole line.
Yeah. No, yeah, like that. And then, okay, just have the last 2 like that. Yeah, that's perfect.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Yay. I was thinking it was the opposite one. Well done. Superman. Batman. Yeah, it's close, isn't it? Superman and Batman.
Is that really worth going on the news?
Yeah.
They took your lot off, like. It's nice if they tried to make you pay out.
Wow. That's Wonder Woman. Oh, Batman. Was that right? Come on, turn around. Yay. Okay. Yay, that was good. Oh, you've done it. Well done. Okay. Where's the other one? Ah, so cute you go. Oh, ah.
Wait, is it?
Maybe. Have a look. Yay!
And Superman!
Superman.
Daddy, I need your phone!
You're going to have an ice cream now.
I need your phone when I'm
Your phone died, Tim. Oh, yay!
Daddy's phone!
Oh, I can remember what that one was. Yeah, you got that one right. And wow!
Can we play again?
If you want. Mm-hmm. Oops. Ah, that's it.